Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Real Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very attractive and very beautiful collection of beaded bracelets for you. And I hope that you like this beautiful and attractive fashion video of my channel also. So if you are interested and you are enjoying this video, subscribe to my channel. So guys, it's a very new and a very attractive collection and a very new collection of my channel, and it's a very new fashion for teenagers, for ladies and for women. And whether you are going to a birthday party of your friend or any night outs or hangouts with your friends, where you can wear these type of bracelets as well, because they are very decent, very attractive and very stylish also. So if you're wearing such that jeans or any type of sweatshirt or any type of blouse, like rubber blouse, silk blouse, or any type of blouse, so you can wear these type of bracelets as well. So subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it, and thank you so much for your love and for your support as well. And guys, as you can see, these type of beaded bracelets are already in, and it's a very new and a very latest fashion. So I hope that you don't want to miss this new fashion video. So thank you so much for your love and for your support, and thank you so much guys who are watching my videos, who are watching my channel, and who are supporting me. Thank you so much guys, and I hope that next time I'll bring the more and the latest and the very new fashions for you. You are interested in my video also. So guys, if you are interested and you are enjoying, subscribe to my channel and tell me that if you are interested or not. I don't have any issue, I don't have any problem. And guys, you can purchase from anywhere, and that I have told you in my previous videos that they are available in cheap prices and in expensive prices as well. So it's depend on you that whether you want to purchase as in cheap wear or in expensive wear. So it's depend on you, and it's depend on your mood. So I'm just advising and I'm just giving you advice. So guys, as I told you that it's a very new and a very in fashion of 2020. As we all know that winter season has almost gone, so you can wear them anywhere, if you want to wear as you are going on a farewell or any concert or any bonfire, so you can wear these type of bracelets as well. So guys, take care of yourself and your family, and take care of yourself. Remember me in your special and beautiful prayers. Guys, my video almost has been ended. Take care of yourself. See you soon guys, inshallah, with a new video and with a new fashion. Okay, remember me in your prayers. Bye bye. See you soon guys with a new video and with a new fashion, inshallah. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.